Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
As a synthetic material, luxury vinyl floors are, by nature, resistant to moisture and climate. Luxury wood vinyl planks also, unlike hardwood, have an extremely hard, durable wear layer. Due to its durability, some warranties can last up to 20 years, and parterre products often outlast their warranties.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Around $2,000. The national average cost to install a room of vinyl plank flooring is around $2,000 overall, according to HomeAdvisor. The average overall price ranges between $800 and $2,900. Average labor costs to install vinyl plank range between $1.50 and $6 per square foot. 18 December 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.